In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the order of animations in Microsoft PowerPoint. Perhaps you've crafted a compelling presentation, and now it's time to fine-tune how it all comes together with some animation magic. Altering the sequence of animations can enhance the flow and impact of your slideshow, and luckily, it's a straightforward process. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. Simply find the PowerPoint icon on your computer and double-click it to open. Once PowerPoint is up and running, you'll need to either open an existing presentation file or create a new one, depending on what you're working on. Feel free to add in your photos, tables, text, and any other content you'd like to animate later on. Now that you have your content ready, it's time to add life with animations. To begin, navigate to the Animations tab located along the top menu bar. Give it a click, and you'll gain access to a variety of animation options that PowerPoint offers. This tab is your go-to hub for all things related to animating your presentation. To rearrange the order of animations, you need to open the Animation pane. Within the Animations tab, look for the Advanced Animation group. Here, you'll find the Animation pane button. Click on it, and a side panel will appear, listing all the animations currently applied to your slides. This pane is where the magic of reorganizing happens. With the animation pane open, scroll through the list and find the specific animation you wish to move. Click on it to select it. You'll see each animation is sequentially listed, providing a clear visual timeline of how each effect will play out during your presentation. Now comes the part where you can change the order. Simply click and hold the animation you selected, and then drag it to the desired position within the list. PowerPoint will automatically renumber the animations as you reposition them, making it easier to visualize the new sequence instantly. This drag and drop functionality lets you seamlessly adjust which element comes first, second, and so on to better control the storytelling flow or highlight specific information at the right moment. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully altered the order of animations in your PowerPoint presentation, adding a personalized touch to your slides. As you practice these steps, you'll become more comfortable experimenting with different sequences and discovering how they can impact the audience's engagement. Feel free to play around, preview your changes, and ensure the presentation unfolds just as you've envisioned. Thank you for joining me today, and happy animating!